Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are some of the key components and features of SAC dashboards. The Factory Overtime Cost Overview Dashboard has been designed to provide clear and actionable insights, helping us manage production and overtime costs more effectively. As a plant manager, I have created this tool to provide a comprehensive look at the key metrics and visualizations related to our factory's overtime costs. The term factory overtime cost refers to the additional expenses incurred when employees work beyond their regular hours. Now, let's start with the first KPI I have incorporated is total production hours. This metric shows the cumulative hours of production across all departments within the factory, giving us an insight into the overall production effort. Next, I have used overtime hours as a KPI. This metric tracks the additional hours worked beyond regular shifts, highlighting areas where extra labor costs are incurred. For more information on other KPIs and their impact on the dashboard and decision-making, please contact us at VASPP Technologies. Now proceeding towards the next feature, charts, which I have used diversely in the dashboard. To the left, I have created a bar chart displaying the total production hours per department. This chart breaks down production hours by each department, allowing us to identify which areas are contributing most to our total production time. On the right, I have incorporated a pie chart illustrating overtime hours per job type. This visualization helps us understand which job roles are incurring the most overtime, offering insights into workforce management and potential areas for cost saving. The next features on the dashboard include ranking and sorting. The ranking feature allows users to order data based on specific criteria, making it easier to identify top-performing or underperforming items within a dataset. This feature is particularly useful for highlighting key insights and making informed decisions. The sorting feature enables users to arrange data in ascending or descending order based on selected dimensions or measures. Sorting helps in organizing data logically, making it easier to analyze trends and patterns. The drill-down feature is a powerful function that enables users to delve into data at various levels of detail, providing a better understanding of underlying information and gaining deeper insights. By allowing users to navigate from a high-level overview to more granular data, it helps identify patterns and trends that might not be immediately apparent. This capability is especially valuable in complex datasets, where detailed analysis is crucial for making informed decisions. Additionally, sample filters are available on this page to sort data and allow users to interactively analyze data by selecting specific criteria to focus on. In this scenario, as I select a specific filter from the Work Center dropdown, the respective data gets integrated into the charts and KPIs. SAC also allows us to use any dimensions or measures as a filter, enabling visualization of data relevant to multiple business scenarios. Let's move on to the second page of our dashboard, the Cost Center Analysis. I have created this tool on behalf of the company to provide a comprehensive look at the key metrics and visualizations related to our factory's overtime costs. This dashboard aims to help us better understand and manage overtime expenses across different facets of our operations. Each component has been carefully designed to provide clear and actionable insights, helping us manage and reduce overtime costs effectively across all departments and locations. Here, I have integrated detailed KPIs and charts as on the previous page to offer a deeper insight into the distribution and impact of overtime costs across various cost centers. Moving to the first KPI on this page is overtime cost. This metric represents the total monetary expenditure incurred due to overtime work. By tracking overtime costs, we can identify trends and areas where overtime is frequently utilized, helping us pinpoint potential inefficiencies or areas for improvement. Next, I have incorporated the Department Overtime Cost KPI. This metric breaks down the total overtime cost by each department, providing a more granular view of where overtime expenses are concentrated. This can help us understand which departments are driving the most overtime costs and why. It includes one more KPIs that provide insights into the cost spent in labor management. Moving to other details, the page includes charts like overtime cost per department displaying the overtime expenses incurred by each department, allowing us to quickly see which departments have the highest overtime costs. This is crucial for identifying departments that may need staffing adjustments or operational changes to reduce overtime reliance. Similarly, the other chart illustrates department overtime cost per factory location. This visualization breaks down department-specific overtime costs across different factory locations. By analyzing this chart, we can determine if certain locations are experiencing higher overtime costs and investigate the underlying causes, whether they are location-specific challenges or broader operational issues. Now let's check another feature that SAC allows financial analysts to incorporate selected data in a single click throughout an entire page or story. As I click on the specific data point, the linked analysis feature in SAP Analytics Cloud enables the user to select elements in one chart and see related updates across all linked charts. This dynamic interaction helps uncover trends, pinpoint issues, and make informed decisions by providing a comprehensive, real-time view of how different factors impact production and dispatch efficiency. Similarly, I have used sample filters as on the previous page. A factory overtime cost details table allows the user to display the data in a structured format, enabling users to sort, filter, and aggregate information for easy analysis. It is designed to provide a comprehensive and detailed view of various aspects in a single tabulated format. I have used sample filters as on the previous page. Think of a filter as a magnifying glass for your data. It allows you to zoom in on specific products or groups of products within reports, charts, and dashboards, uncovering valuable insights that might be hidden. As I click on the company code filter, a drop-down appears having various company code options now as per requirement. I can select one or multiple filters at the same time and data will be integrated into the table. It's not over yet. SAC also allows the export of data from individual charts or entire dashboards from SAP Analytics Cloud, ensuring that your data insights are easily shareable and accessible to your intended audience. It is a useful feature for sharing insights and reports with stakeholders who may not have direct access to SAC. We can export into Excel, then show and extract table data into Excel, and finally, export the dashboard as a PDF. Models in SAC define how data is organized, stored, and processed, enabling users to build accurate and insightful reports and dashboards. They support a wide range of features, from data integration and preparation to advanced analytics and collaboration, enabling users to create comprehensive and insightful analytic solutions. They are flexible as we can add additional fields as per the customer's requirement. For further information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies.